Hey everyone, welcome to the channel Personal Financial Freedom. Today, we're diving into the 5 key pillars of personal finance, the foundation for building a financially secure and stress-free life. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking to fine-tune your strategy, these principles are game changers. Let's get started. The first pillar is budgeting and expense control. This is the cornerstone of financial management. Without a clear budget, it's easy to overspend and lose track of your goals. Here's a simple rule to follow: the 50-30-20 method. Spend 50% of your income on needs like rent, groceries, and bills. 30% goes to wants like dining out or entertainment. And the final 20%? That's for savings and debt repayment. Tracking your expenses using apps or spreadsheets helps you spot waste and focus on what truly matters. Next up, saving for the future. Building a safety net is crucial. Start with an emergency fund. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of essential expenses. This is your buffer for unexpected events, like medical bills or job loss. Once that's covered, set specific savings goals. Maybe a dream vacation, a new car, or a down payment on a house. Use high-yield savings accounts or low-risk investments to grow your money over time. The third pillar is strategic investing. Investing helps your money grow faster than it would in a savings account, but it's all about strategy and patience. Here's how. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across stocks, bonds, and real estate. Think long-term. Markets can be volatile, but time is your best friend. And if you're new to investing, educate yourself or work with a certified financial advisor to avoid costly mistakes. Now let's talk about managing debt. Debt isn't always bad, but it needs to be controlled. If you're dealing with multiple debts, try these approaches. The avalanche method. Pay off the highest interest debt first to save money over time. Or the snowball method. Start with the smallest debt for a psychological win and build momentum. And here's a tip. Avoid taking on new debt unless it's for productive purposes, like education or a mortgage. Finally, planning for the future. This is where you prepare for long-term stability. 3 key areas to focus on. Retirement. Contribute to a retirement fund or investment plan early to enjoy compound growth. Insurance. Protect yourself and your loved ones with health, life, and property insurance. Estate planning. Create a will or trust to ensure your assets are distributed the way you want and to minimize taxes for your heirs. So there you have it, the 5 pillars of personal finance: budgeting, saving, investing, managing debt, and planning for the future. By mastering these, you'll not only achieve financial security, but also peace of mind. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments. Which pillar do you want to work on first? Let's build a stronger financial future together. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.